Hello dear students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we'll be discussing about properties of acids and bases. So acids are substances which give H plus ions in an aqueous solution. Let's take an example to understand this, right? So here I have hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. When HCl is dissolved in water, it dissociates to give you H plus ion. So HCl, that is an acid, it gives H plus ion in an aqueous solution. So substances which give H plus ion in aqueous solution are called as acids. Now friend, how did acid get its name? Now friends, acids are generally sour in taste, right? And so acid is derived from the Latin word acer, which means sour. Let's take some examples of acids. Acetic acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid are examples of acids. These acids give H plus ion in aqueous solution. But what are bases? Yes, bases are substances which on dissolving in water dissociate to give you OH minus ions. So bases are substances which give OH minus ions in an aqueous solution. Let's take an example to understand this, right? So here I have NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide on dissolving in water dissociates to give you OH minus ion. And as we said, substances which give OH minus ion in aqueous solution are called as bases, right? So sodium hydroxide is a base as it gives OH minus ion in aqueous solution. Can you give me some examples of bases? Yes. Sodium hydroxide, lime water, baking soda are all examples of bases as they give OH minus ions in aqueous solution. Now friends, let's discuss some of the properties of acids, right? Can you tell me what is the taste of lemon or lemon juice basically? You can tell me what is the taste of vinegar. Okay, can you tell me what is the taste of tamarind, that is imli? Yes, they all are sour to taste. So acids are all sour in taste, exactly. Now these acids have H plus ion as the main constituent. So which is the main constituent present in acids? Yes, H plus ion. Now friends, generally these acids have properties opposite to that of bases. For example, acids turn blue litmus red. That is, if you take a blue litmus paper and dip it in an acid, this blue litmus paper turns red. Also friends, acids on reacting with metal result in the liberation of hydrogen gas. When acids react with carbonates, it results in the liberation of carbon dioxide gas. Let's see some of the sources of acids. Friends, what about vinegar? Vinegar you generally use in Chinese restaurants, right? Have you ever tasted vinegar? Yes, it is sour to taste. But do you know which acid is present in vinegar? Yes, it is acetic acid. Similarly, oranges that we eat, these oranges also contain an acid. Oranges contain citric acid. What about tamarind, friends? Yes, tamarind is sour to taste, right? But do you know which is the acid present in tamarind? Yes, tamarind contains tartaric acid. What about tomatoes, friends? Yes, tomatoes are also sour to taste. And tomatoes contain oxalic acid. What about curd? Curd is also sour to taste, right? And which is the acid present in curd? Lactic acid. What about lemon? Lemons are also sour to taste and they contain citric acid. Friends, you will be surprised to know that our body also contains acids.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.